we can solve a pair of linear equations in two variables when in the denominator two variables are given. So far in the videos that we have solved, there were one variables like 1 by x and 1 by y. Here we are having two variables. In that case, how to solve? The first equation I'll call it as 1 here, and the second equation I'll call it as 2 here. The method remains the same. What is the method? The method is put 1 by 3x plus y is equal to u, and this I would like to call it as equation number 3, and 1 by 3x minus y I would like to take it as v, and this I will call it as equation number 4. Now putting this third and fourth equation in first and second equation, let us see what we get. We will get here 1 by 3x plus y, I will get it as u, plus this I will get it as v is equal to 3 by 4, and I will call it as equation number 5. This equation will reduce to 1 by 3x plus y is there. I can write it as u by 2 minus v by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Again, if I take the LCM here, the LCM of this is 2, and u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So this can be called as equation number 6. I can write it as u minus v is equal to minus 1 upon 4. This I will call it as equation number 6. Now I have got a pair of linear equations in two variables in terms of u and v. Now since the signs are different, plus v and minus v is there, I can cancel the common terms. So common terms will get cancelled, and what I will get is 1u plus another u is 2u is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So this becomes 2u is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4, and that is finally equal to 1 by 2. So 2u is equal to 1 by 2. So u is equal to 1 by 2 into this I transpose to right hand side, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So u is equal to 1 by 4. This I will call it as equation number 7. Now this value of u as 1 by 4, I can either put in fifth equation or I can put it in sixth equation. Now fifth equation appears to be more simple for me, so I'll put this value of u is equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 5. So in that case, what happens is, in place of u I am going to put 1 by 4, v I will keep it as it is equal to 3 by 4. Now I can say one thing, v is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, then v is equal to 3 minus 1 by 4, or I can say v is equal to 2 by 4, or v is equal to 1 by 2. Now this I will call it as equation number 8. Now you will ask, sir, we are supposed to find out the values of x and y, whereas you have found the values of u and v. Yes, I'll come to that point. In order to do that, what I'll do is I'll re-put the value of u as 1 by 3x plus y, and the value of v as 1 by 3x minus y in equation 7 and 8. So what is happening? What will happen is, in place of u, I will put 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. Here in place of v, I will put 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. Now if I cross multiply, then what happens is 3x plus y is equal to 4. This I would like to call it as equation number 9. And here if I cross multiply, then what I'll get is 3x minus y is equal to 2. This I'll call it as equation number 10. So this if I further simplify, plus y and minus y directly get cancels here. So 3x plus 3x is 6x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 1. So what I got here, children, the value of x is 1. Now this value of x I can put it either in 9th equation or in 10th equation. Suppose if I decide to put it in 9th equation, then what I get is 3 multiplied by the value of x plus y is equal to 4. So the value of x is 1 here. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 1. So y is equal to 3. Stop here, pause. 3 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So finally, the solutions that we are getting is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So that's how you have to solve the pair of linear equations in two variables when there are two different variables in the denominator. So children, you can see here throughout this exercise the method remains the same. The only thing that is required is you have to put the values of u and v, get the values of u and v, again re-put the value of u and v, and you will get the final solutions. Let's see how to solve an equation when the denominators are having two variables. For example, x and y is there, here also x and y is there, here x and y is there, here also x and y is there. How to solve such equations? So in that case, what you do is you have to put this 1 by x plus y is equal to u. You call it as third equation. So wherever you find 1 by x plus y, you put it as u. Wherever you are having x minus y, you write it as v. So now this 3 and 4, I will put equation 3 and 4 in the first equation and the second equation. Let us see what happens. What I get here is 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. And that equation, if I take it, then 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2. Now let us say we are eliminating v. If at all I have to eliminate v, then we have to make the coefficients equal. So in that case, you multiply this equation by 5 and this equation you multiply by 2. Let us see what we get. If I multiply this by 5, then I will get 50u plus 10v is equal to 20. This will be equal to 30u minus 10v is equal to minus 4. So let us see what happens further. Plus 10v is there, minus 10v is there, they get cancelled with each other. So 50u plus 30u is 80u is equal to 16. Now children, here I did not change the sign because there is no need for me to change the sign. It is getting cancelled automatically. So this is 80u. Now this becomes u is equal to 16 divided by 80. So this, if I further simplify, 16 1 is 16 and 16 5 is 80. So what I get is u is equal to 1 upon 5. Now this value of u, I'll substitute in first equation here. Here I can substitute, or I can substitute here. This equation I would like to call it as fifth equation, and this equation I would like to call it as sixth equation. So the value of u I can substitute in fifth equation, or I can substitute in sixth equation. Suppose if I decide to substitute in fifth equation, then in that case what is that we are going to get? See, in that case what we'll get is 10 into bracket, wherever u is there, you have to put the value of u. The value of u is 1 by 5. So I am substituting the value of u as 1 by 5. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So what I get here is 2 plus 2v is equal to 4. That means 2v is equal to 4 minus 2. So 2v is equal to 2. So v is equal to 1. Now children, again the same problem. You are asked to find out the values of x and y, and you are stuck up with u and v. Nowhere in the problem you are asked to find the value of u and v. Then again what you need to do is you have to re-put. So u is equal to 1 by 5. V is equal to 1. What I'll do is here I'll re-put u is equal to 1 by x plus y, and I will also re-put v is equal to 1 by x minus y. So if I solve this, what I will get is, in place of u I will put here 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 5, and v is equal to 1 by x minus y is equal to 1 by 1. Now let me cross multiply here. If I cross multiply, what I get is x plus y is equal to 5, and here also if I cross multiply, then what I get is x minus y is equal to 1. Now again, for the second time continuously, we are getting linear equations in two variables. Here also we got linear equation in two variables, but it was in terms of u and v. Here also I am getting linear equation in two variables, but it is in terms of x and y. So what I will do is, again let me use the elimination method. This cancels here, and so what I get is 2x is equal to 6. So if 2x is equal to 6, children, naturally x is equal to 6 divided by 2. That means x is equal to 3. Suppose if I put that value of x here, let me call it as, say, equation number 7. This can be called as equation number 7. This can be called as equation number 8. Suppose if I put the value of x is equal to 3, then what I will get is 3 plus y is equal to 5. So that means y is equal to 5 minus 3. So y is equal to 2. So this is the solution for linear equations in two variables where the denominators are having two variables. So fine, I hope you might have understood it.